Thinking about getting into crypto, but overwhelmed by the sheer number of hardware wallets and the coins they support? Ever wondered, which crypto does Tangem support? If so, you're in the right place. We're diving deep into the Tangem wallet's compatibility, so you can confidently secure your digital assets. Choosing a hardware wallet is a critical step in protecting your crypto investments. Unlike software wallets, hardware wallets keep your private keys offline, significantly reducing the risk of hacks. And Tangem, with its unique card-based design, offers a fresh perspective on cold storage. But what good is a super secure wallet if it doesn't support the coins you actually own or plan to acquire? That's where knowing its supported assets becomes paramount. So, let's cut to the chase. As of June 2025, the Tangem wallet is a true powerhouse when it comes to asset compatibility. We're talking about support for over 16,000 cryptocurrencies and tokens across more than 85 blockchain networks. That's a staggering number, making Tangem one of the most versatile hardware wallets on the market today. This extensive support isn't just about popular coins. Of course, you'll find all the major players like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Solana, SOL, Cardano, ADA, Polygon, Matic, BNB Smart Chain, BSC, Avalanche, AVAX, Polkadot, DOT, Tron, TRX, and XRP Ledger, XRP, readily available. But Tangem goes much, much further. It supports a vast array of token standards, which is crucial for managing the diverse world of digital assets. We're talking about ERC20 tokens on Ethereum, BEP20 tokens on BNB Smart Chain, SPL tokens on Solana, TRC20 tokens on Tron, and even native tokens on emerging blockchains like Sway. This means that whether you're holding mainstream cryptocurrencies, DeFi tokens, meme coins, or tokens from niche ecosystems, Tangem likely has you covered. Beyond the sheer volume of supported assets, Tangem also boasts compatibility with a wide range of blockchain networks. This includes established giants like the Bitcoin native network and Ethereum, as well as rapidly growing ecosystems such as Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, Blast, Aptos, and many more. The ability to manage assets across so many networks from a single device is a significant advantage, simplifying your crypto management and reducing the need for multiple wallets. What's particularly impressive is how Tangem handles wrapped tokens. For instance, if you have wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC, on networks like Arbitrum, Avalanche C-Chain, Ethereum, as an ERC20 token, or Polygon, Tangem supports it. Similarly, wrapped Ethereum, WETH, across various chains is also seamlessly managed. This flexibility is key in today's multi-chain crypto landscape. The Tangem team is also committed to continuously expanding its list of supported assets and networks. They actively integrate new blockchains and tokens, so if you're looking for a specific, newer asset, it's always a good idea to check their official supported assets page or their blog for the latest updates. You can easily search for your desired coin or token on their website to verify compatibility. In essence, Tangem's approach to cryptocurrency support is comprehensive and forward-thinking. They understand that the crypto world is constantly evolving, and their wallet reflects that by offering broad compatibility for both established and emerging digital assets across a multitude of networks. This makes Tangem an excellent choice for anyone looking for a secure, versatile, and future-proof hardware wallet solution. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.